Hello and welcome to a new video of human-made garden plants. Today I am planting some African daisies and I'm going to pot them in this container here. And previous year I planted my Sparaxis bulbs in here, and as you can see there's one, but it's empty. But I'm going to check if there's more in there. I think they are not alive anymore, but I'll check it if I find some bulbs. I think I'm not going to have any bulbs left. Other side, it's pretty empty. Let's get this out of here. I'm getting some soil out of this pot because it's too much. This is not fitting yet. Get more soil out. I'm using the old soil from previous year, and I'm putting a layer of fresh soil on top of it so I can use this soil again today. Let's see if it fits now. I guess it fits. Just push in the container gently and get it out. And this one is going here. And the other one. This is a dark purple one, but you cannot really tell of this color of this camera. Just push in the pot gently again. Let's get this one out. And this one is going on the other side. Now I'm going to use the old soil. Just what I have gets in there, because I want the soil to come to the top of the container. I spread the old soil all around the African daisies. And now I'm getting the fresh soil and I put a top layer on it. Just get it all around. Now the other side. And of course also behind the plants. Just a little bit here. And then after this, water them very good so that they can grow a lot. And now we have a big full pot of African daisies. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Bye bye.